In a small town surrounded by mountains, there lived a boy named Aarav, who was born into poverty. His father worked as a daily laborer, and his mother stitched clothes late into the night. But even then, they often went to bed hungry. While many children his age complained about toys or school books, Aarav found joy in small things, helping his mother count the few coins they had, or climbing the hill behind his house to watch the sunrise. But deep inside, he carried a burning dream. He wanted to become a doctor, not just for the prestige, but to serve people who could not afford proper treatment, because he had seen his neighbors suffer when they could not pay hospital bills. His dream seemed impossible. His school had no proper library, and he studied under the dim light of a kerosene lamp. Sometimes he thought about giving up, but then he remembered the words of his mother, who once told him, "Aarav, the size of your circumstances doesn't decide the size of your future. The size of your belief does." Motivated, he would wake up before dawn to read borrowed textbooks, often walking miles to ask questions from a retired teacher in the next village. His friends laughed at him, calling him the dreamer, but he kept going. One day, his father fell seriously ill, and doctors demanded money that the family didn't have. Aarav felt crushed, almost ready to abandon everything. But watching his father suffer reminded him why he started this journey. He pushed harder, studied longer, and worked small jobs to support his family while preparing for medical entrance exams. After years of struggle, on the day of the results, Aarav's hands trembled as he opened the letter. Tears filled his eyes. He had not only passed, but ranked among the top students in his state. His village celebrated as though it were their own victory. Years later, Aarav returned to his town, no longer the poor boy everyone pitied, but a doctor who built a free clinic so no one in his community would face the pain his family once endured. His story became a beacon of hope, proving that dreams are not limited by one's background, but fueled by determination, sacrifice, and faith. Aarav's journey reminds us that no matter how heavy the odds, if you refuse to surrender and keep moving forward, success will one day bow before you.